Good day, everyone. So, our topic for today is a continuation of our topic, composition of functions, and our new topic is the composite function. So, for composite function class, meron pa rin tayong two functions. We have f of x at saka meron din tayong g of x. So, mga polynomial class ha. So, dito, itong composite function class is a result from the composition functions. Yung first function natin dito, di ba? In our previous discussion, so, yung first function natin ay, ang output natin dito ay ginawa nating input dito sa g of x natin. So, yun yung composition of function. Ang result nito ay yun yung composite function. So, composite function denoted by, we have f, tapos may maliit na circle dito. So, ito, paano to basahin? F composed of g of x. So, meron tayong output na g of x, tapos i-input natin yung output natin na nakuha dito sa f of x. So, this would be our composite function. So, yan ay magiging f, tapos our new function of domain natin is ito yung g of x. So, for example, if we have given f of x, kapag ang f of x natin is equal to x squared minus 6, and our g of x naman, another function is 3x plus 2. So, 3x plus 2. So, yan, dalawang function natin. So, we need to find for f composed of g of x. Tapos, ang pangalawa, find natin yung g function of composed of f of x. Tapos, yung pangatlo, yung g composed of g tapos of x. Tapos, yung pang-apat natin, we're going to find the f composed of f of x. So, the first one, ang unahin natin, ang pag-solve natin is itong number 1. So, we have f of g of x, or f composed of g of x. So, yan, itong natin, this is our new domain, or this is our output. So, unahin natin pag-solve yung output. So, natin ito, f, this is equal to f, g of x. So, this is our, formula. F, tapos, g of x. So, function of g of x muna ang isa-solve natin. So, itong g of x natin, substitute na muna natin yung given natin dito. Ang g of x natin is 3x plus 2. So, dahil ito muna yung unahin natin pag-solve, so, muna natin? F, kopyahin lang natin yung f, tapos, substitute the value of g of x, which is equal to 3x plus 2. So, ito na yung new function of x natin, yung 3x plus 2. So, ito na yung f of x natin. So, f of x kasi yan. So, we need to simplify our f of x. So, our f of x is equal to, sa given natin, ang f of x natin is x squared minus 6. So, ang bagong x natin, function of x ay ito. So, we need to substitute the value of x by 3x plus 2. So, 3x plus 2. So, yung x natin is equal to 3x plus 2. So, this is now our new domain, new x natin tong 3x plus 2. Kaya, pinalitan natin tong x dito as 3x plus 2. Tapos, mayroon tayong exponent na 2. Hindi natin yan kakalimutan. Then, kopyahin lang natin yung 6. So, ngayon, ito na yung isa-solve muna natin. Itong 3x, the quantity of 3x plus 2 with the exponent of 2. So, dito, makita natin na meron tayong exponent at 2. This is a perfect binomial. Perfect square binomial to. So, we can apply the formula. We have i-solve na muna natin yan. So, dito muna na tayo. So, x plus y or exponent of 2. So, we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So, dito, ito yung ating magiging x. Ito yung ating magiging y. So, yan. Substitute lang natin. So, x squared, our x is equal to 3x. So, 3x with the exponent of 2. Apply natin. Plus 2 times, yung x natin is 3x. At times y, yung y natin is 2. Tapos, plus y squared. Ang y natin is 2. So, 2 squared. Simplify, we have 3 squared yan. So, 3 times 3, 9. X times x, x squared. So, dito, multiply muna natin yung mga whole number. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 2, 12. So, times x, 12x. Plus, 2 times 2, kasi 2 squared is 2 times 2, that is 4. So, ito yung sagot natin sa 3x plus 2 with the exponent of 2. So, ngayon, papalitan na natin yan. Papalitan na natin ang sagot mismo dito. Yan. So, para makuha ang sagot nito, we use this formula. So, pinalitan lang natin, this is our x and this is our y. So, yung x natin, just substitute all the variables. So, dito natin kinuha. So, we have 3x, tapos 2, bring down 2, tapos yung value ng x, ang value ng y, plus the value of y squared. So, ito yung final answer natin para dito. So, just substitute here. 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. So, ayan na yan. Erase na natin to. Ayan. So, itong 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 galing yan dito. Sinimplify muna natin yung the quantity of 3x plus 2 with the exponent of 2. So, bring down minus 6. So, now, simplify na muna natin to. So, 9x squared, wala naman tayong i-combine dyan. So, we just bring down 9x squared, pati yung 12x. But, positive 4 at saka negative 6, this is unlike sign. So, kapag unlike sign, we need to subtract the number and copy the sign of the bigger number. So, 4 is positive, 6 is negative. So, malaki ang 6 kaysa 4, kopyahin natin ang negative sign. So, we subtract 6 by 4. So, ang sagot natin ay 2. So, 2 yung sagot natin. So, this is our final answer sa ating hinahanap na f composed of g of x. Sa ito yung number 1 na pinapahanap natin. Then, let's answer number 2.